I'm about to give you everything you need to make your own TIB Solo. For those that want to support the channel or don't have the materials, tools, time, or skill set to make your own, the TIB Solo is available for purchase at thetibfactory.com, which I have put a link to in the description. The TIB Solo is adjustable to fit a variety of different shoe types and shoe sizes. It can be used for isolated single-leg tibialis work as well as isolated ankle work. The TIB Solo is great for the knees over toes guide tibialis training using the ATG system, as well as movements for increasing athleticism while improving knee, lower leg, and ankle health. While the TIB Solo has been tested for use up to 50 pounds, I personally am going to use it for lighter weight, higher rep instability work, and do my heavier, lower rep work with the two-footed TIB Blaster, which is also available at thetibfactory.com. To build your own TIB Solo, you'll need two 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch hitch pins, one 1/4 inch by 2 3/4 inch hitch pin, one 1.5 inch PVC coupling, one 1.5 inch to 3/4 inch PVC bushing, one 8 inch long 1.5 inch piece of PVC with 1/4 inch holes drilled every inch, starting at 1 inch past the coupling on one side, and holes drilled every inch starting at 3/4 inch on the other side for additional, more incremental options to secure the weights. You can go ahead and connect the coupling and bushing to your piece of PVC to get the spacing right and give you something to grip onto while drilling it. One 3/4 inch PVC tee, four 3/4 inch PVC elbows, one 8.5 inch long 3/4 inch dowel, one 4 1/4 inch long 3/4 inch dowel, two 6.5 inch pieces of 1x3 wood with 1 1/8 inch holes drilled 1 1/4 inch in from each side on center. To drill the holes, I use a Forstner bit on a drill press for both accuracy and cleanliness of the holes. I rounded the corners of the pieces on a benchtop belt sander for a more polished look and added the stamp for the TIB Factory touch. One 1.5 inch long piece of 3/4 inch PVC, two 3 9/16 inch long pieces of 3/4 inch PVC, two 2 7/8 inch long pieces of 3/4 inch PVC, one 8 5/16 inch piece of 3/4 inch PVC with 1/4 inch holes drilled at 1 1/16 inch and 1 7/16 inch on the top, and 1 5/16 inch and 1 11/16 inch on the side. One 3 3/4 inch long 3/4 inch diameter piece of foam pipe insulation reinforced with industrial strength black Gorilla Tape, 27 3/4 inch long self-tapping metal screws, one 1.5 inch long metal screw. Once you have all of your pieces ready, you can begin assembly with the shaft. Connect the 1.5 inch piece of PVC to your 8 inch PVC pipe that is connected to the coupling and bushing. Connect your 2 7/8 inch pieces of PVC with an elbow on either end. Connect your 3 9/16 inch bottom pieces to your 3/4 inch tee and slide your dowel through the pipe. Slide your grip onto the 8 5/16 inch top piece of 3/4 inch PVC, followed by your two wooden foot grips on either side. Connect your top and bottom assemblies using the outside elbow assemblies and get it snug with your hands. Use a mallet to tap everything into place until it's fully secure and square. Slide your 2.5 inch dowel into the bottom of the PVC tee and then connect the shaft. To set the angle for the shaft, rotate it until the bottom of the shaft is approximately 7 inches off of your work surface. From here you can start to secure everything with screws. Each joint takes 2 screws with one on the front side and one on the back side. You will use your long screw to go through the coupling, bushing, and center dowel. Make sure to pre-drill your hole so that you don't split the dowel. The only joint that requires 3 screws is the tee. This will help spread the rotational load across 3 separate points that are reinforced by the dowel that runs through the bottom piece, where the bottom of your foot will rest. This version of the TIB Solo is designed for Olympic weights, but I'll also be releasing a standard 1 inch plate version of the TIB Solo at thetibfactory.com in the near future. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for new videos every week.